And guys, today is day 5 and we're visiting the town of Chania. So I'm excited because it smells lovely. It's almost lunchtime and I can't wait. After yesterday's lamb, I can't wait to see what they have for lunch. So I'm so excited. And it doesn't show, but I am excited. Yeah, so because it's smelling really good. So we're going to see Chania first, the old town. Okay. Oh my god, look. See?
Right.
We didn't even see this. The restaurant. Look how cute that is. Oh my god, it's really nice. Look at the little windows.
The menu has
It's sunny. The menu has what, Hannah?
at least 2 things I can eat.
Don't ask me what this menu is saying. But I see pork. Oh, it's in English. What are these, Hannah? What? I think it was a really good choice to choose this town. It's so, there are many people around, but it's so quiet and you can hear the sound of the ocean. It's really, really, really lovely town. Lovely place to come and take a walk and eat and watch people just living life. It's really lovely.